Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. That's the way! Cool! Thanks for helping out! Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. I love that. Good job. Just slice or tap it to open. Where to now? Left leads to... Well done! Right leads to the tunnel. Right leads to the tunnel is nearby. Left leads to... Left leads to... We're almost at the town square. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Where to now? Right... Left leads to... Lights out. Lights on. Lights out. Lights on. Left leads to... The tunnel is nearby. Left leads to... The tunnel is nearby. Lights out. Lights on. Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Amazing! Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Well done! Awesome! Excellent! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Which toy will